How to shorten Google Drive link. So let's get started. So if you also want to shorten your Google Drive link, which is pretty usually longer than expected, so in that case what you might want to do is, so in this example I'm trying to show you from my inside of Google Drive files such as your Google Docs or any of the files. So let's say I want to share these files, and this link over which is over here is pretty long. So when I press on this share button, so as you can see, you always have to make sure you enable the anyone with the link option, so that anyone you send this link to will be able to view the link. So as you can see, currently it has very long link. The link is very long, so which is pretty hard to read. And if you want to shorten, we have this site tiny URL. So you just basically have to copy your URL and paste it over here, and you can also actually customize your link with your name or any of the things you want to put. So make sure it's correct or valid, the name which you are putting, that is your customizable name. So as you can see, my name is valid now because of the different name I've used. So you can basically copy the new link from over here and simply paste it over here to open the same link just like this. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.